Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one tool using which you can create YouTube chapters easily from a video. You don't have to manually do it. You just have to put the URL of the video that you want to add chapters. So now if you see this video here, it doesn't have any chapters. So users will not be able to easily understand what is the content of this video. So if somebody wants to understand the entire content of the video, they have to manually go through the video. So if you see here, now you see only the comment here. Now what I will do is that I will place the URL of this video in here. I'll just place this here. Now after I do that, it will automatically generate a summary and it will create, if you see here, it started creating these timestamps. So introduction to ShareAll website. ShareAll is a website where you can run various products. If I want to make any change, I can make that change there. So ShareAll is a website name actually. If I want to make any change, I can make it. I'm just gonna make this and put it there. Okay, so now introduction to ShareAll website, renting DSLR cameras, discounts and return policy, cost and delivery return process, delivery and pickup cost, actual product pictures, variety of product available. So what I will do is I will take this and paste it in the box here, description box here, and save it. Now if I see the video again, you will see the difference. That will create timestamps. So I'll show you timestamps it has created. Let's see it has created timestamps. Now if I want to go to delivery and pickup cost, so how much the delivery and pickup cost? So they charge around 299 flat. Now if I want to jump to variety of products available, so you can get those action cameras in this website 360. So this way it's very useful in creating these chapters that will be very useful for your viewers. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.